Perfectly portioned and ready to eat. Healthy weight and lifestyle. Diet to go.
Where's Meadow? Good morning, Meadow. How are you today? Good morning. Good morning. Bye-bye. See you later. Say bye-bye, Meadow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye. See you later. I love you. Wow! Holy mackerel! Wow, we go over to here. And there's Spanky. Good morning. How are you today? I love you. Say I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Wow! Pretty bird. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you.
Are you good at natural remedies?
See, I love you.
Then you got competition here. Here's the deal.
Bye-bye. See you later. Step up. Come here. You come here. Now you come here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you.
First question.
Bye-bye.
What is the
See you later. Bye-bye.
for migraines? Is it A?